Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then now the cataracts can be of different types, like we can have an anterior polar cataract. This is anterior polar cataract. Similarly, we have a posterior polar cataract. Then we have anterior subcapsular cataract. This is below the capsule. We have an anterior subcapsular cataract, and we have a posterior subcapsular cataract is also seen. Okay, then this is a nuclear cataract. So these are the different types or morphologies of cataract.
thank you and thank you for watching.